Okay, this is the Jakks Pacific Power Trains set that we have right now. Start out with their bullet engine and trailing car, which is in a similar shape to the French TGV duplex. Then we got the 4 cars here that are sold separately that match the engine. As you can see that the motif is quite nicely done, as well as each of the cars here lines up with one another. Then we got a figure 8 here of track. The 2 engines, 1 powered, 1 dummy. The 4 passenger cars and the figure 8 track were all bought at Target for $10 a piece, not including sales tax, and that cat there is just a cat. This is the couplers that they have on here. It's a lot nicer than some other coupler types on similar price trains. So fat that you can couple them up either direction. You can do it forwards or backwards. Doesn't matter in the slightest. This is the power unit here. It's got a headlight. The switch here is 2 positions. Back is slow, and that's fast. And this button here turns it on as well as turns on the headlight. One thing worth noting is when the power button is off, the rear wheels do freewheel, so you can move it pretty well with little friction, with no power applied. Another thing worth mentioning is that the wheels for the cars, aside from the traction-tired ones on the power unit, are very loosely in place. They actually do not connect with each other as far as an axle is concerned. Okay. Gonna line up the couplers. Okay, everything's in place. Now, at present time, they have 2 starter sets. One is just a elevated figure 8 with a white bullet train engine and trailing car. That presently retails around $20. Then they have a deluxe one that has 2 turnouts, a complete freight train, and some accessories like a car loader for roughly $40. Another thing worth mentioning is if you look at the packages these cars come in, it says Series 1, so all the things go well, there should be more in the future. Yeah, it's not the greatest of toy trains, but for the price, you can't really beat it.